Okay, this dance is called the Agadou, and it is a dance from France. This is a four-wall dance, meaning that you're going to be facing all four walls as you go along with this song. There's 4 sections in this song. I will break them up, and we will learn each one individually, and then put them all together. Okay, so to start with, we are going to move to our right, and you are going to step with your right foot. As you are stepping with your right foot, your hands are going to be pushing down twice. So it would look like this. 1, 2. Now notice that as I step with my right foot, my left foot is coming together. So again, it would look like this. 1, 2. The next 2 counts would be moving back to my left. I do the same thing where I step together and my hands are pushing down at the same time. So it would go 3, 4. So that whole section together would go 1, 2, 3, 4. So my hands are just pushing down on each side twice, and my feet are just moving out together, okay? So facing your direction, you can do this with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, right together, left together. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, going back to your right and doing the same motion with your feet, which is that together part, you are going to switch up your hands. What you're going to do is you're going to be pretending like you're rubbing the bottom of your elbow. So, as you move to your right arm is going to be up in the air, and you're going to be kind of rubbing it, but not actually, just underneath your elbow. So it would look like this. 1, 2, and then the same thing coming back. 3, 4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you were to see me doing it your way, we would go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the first 8 counts, the entire time with your feet, you are just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's really simple. The only thing that changes is your arm motion. You start with the push downs, and then you end with the elbow rubs. So let's try all 8 counts together. Starting to our right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, after this, you are going to be stepping forward with your right foot and touching with your left foot. So it would look like this. 1, 2, okay? Then after that, you would step with your left. So you went 1, 2, and then you step back on your left foot and then come together with your right foot. So those 4 counts would look like this. Right, touch, left, together. Right, touch, left, together. So what that would look like from your angle is right, touch, left, together. So let's try just the lower body together. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, touch, left, together. Now with your hands, the first 2 counts, when you go forward, you're rolling your wrists over each other, and you go forward. As you come back, you roll your wrists back. So it would look like this. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. So let's look from your angle. We can try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, forward, backwards. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, touch, left, together. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the first 3 sections. Let's try those together. Starting with our right foot going out, hands pushing down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right touch, left together. Okay? So after you've done your right touch, left together, your hands are going to go on your hips, and you are going to be stepping almost like you are stepping on a box with your feet. And so what I mean by that is with your right foot, you would kind of step outward towards a corner. So you would go right and then left. So right, left, and then you step back with your right and back with your left. So the only difference between just stepping forward and back is that pretend like there's a big box around you and you're trying to step on the corners, right, left, left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's the 4th section. I think I said in the beginning of the video that there's 4, there are actually 5 sections to this. So let's try just the box part together. Starting with your right foot, hands on your hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, left. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, left. Okay, let's put all 4 sections together. All right, starting with our right foot and hands going down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right touch, right, left, left. Okay, let's try it one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and the last part is actually pretty simple. Basically, all you are doing is after you've done your 4 steps, you are going to jump forward, back, sideways, and then clap as your 4th count. So 3 jumps and a clap. So it would look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap. And you are facing a new wall, which means you would start the dance over. So let's try just the jumps. Remember, it's forward, back, side, clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, side, clap. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, side, clap. All right, let's do all 5 sections together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right touch, right, left. Forward, back, side. Okay? So, you've now learned the first full section. We're going to try and link up both walls now. So, we are going to, as soon as we turn to our right, restart the dance immediately. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump, bump, bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, so those are the first 2 walls. You guys know what's coming next. We're going to do all 4 walls together without music, and then we will add in the music. Okay, here we go. All 4 walls. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump, bump, bump. That's all 4 walls. The thing I forget sometimes is to put my hands on the hips. I think I might have done that there a couple of times. But overall, that's the dance. And then you will find with the music, the hardest part of the music is to start the dance. The start of it goes, Agadou, do. So you just gotta, there's no counting in. You just have to know that right on the do part, that's when you start your motion. All right.